Who taught the sun where to stand in the morning? And who told the ocean you can only come this far? And who showed the moon where to hide till evening? Whose words alone can catch a falling star? Within me cries, I know my Redeemer lives, the very same God who spins things in orbit, runs to the weary, the worn and the weak, and the same gentle hand that hold me when I'm broken. They conquer death to bring the victory. Well, I know my Redeemer lives. I know my Redeemer lives. All of creation testifies. This life within me cries, I know my Redeemer lives. I know my Redeemer lives. I know my Redeemer lives. All of creation testifies. This life within me cries, I know my Redeemer. He lives to take away my shame. He lives forever. I'll proclaim that the payment for my sin was the precious life He